Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about one word substitution. One word substitution is an important topic because it appears in the competitive examination. That's why it is most important. So today we are going to present 150 one word substitution which are most important, will definitely come in the competitive examination. So let's start our topic, that is one word substitution. So what first of all we should know the meaning of one word substitution. It is a verbal ability by which a group of words or a full sentence is replaced with a single word without creating any ambiguity or any change in the meaning. That means one word substitution होता है कि पूरे सेंटेंस को रिप्लेस करके उसकी जगह हमने सिंगल वर्ड यूज़ किया और वो सिंगल वर्ड उसका मीनिंग चेंज ना करे. एम्बिग्विटी का मतलब होता है कोई अस्पष्टता प्रकट ना करे. सो एग्जाम्पल है जैसे कि क्लास सबसे बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल होता है. उसमें बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, सारे स्टूडेंट्स, तो द ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज कॉल्ड द क्लास. सो पूरे स्टूडेंट के ग्रुप को हमने क्लास बोला, पूरे एक सेंटेंस को एक वर्ड से रिप्लेस किया, दैट इज़ क्लास. एग्जाम्पल में यहाँ पे दे रखा है वन हु इज़ प्रेजेंट एवरीवेयर, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ओमनी प्रेजेंट, वन हु इज़ प्रेजेंट एवरीवेयर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर 50 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन. Study of ancient society. The study of ancient society is called, option B is correct, that is archaeology. Next is a practice of having more than one husband, that is called, the option B is correct. The things which cannot be read, option A is correct. The government wings responsible for making rules, option B is correct, legislature. Sixth, a government by the nobles, that is option C is correct, aristocracy. Things which cannot be believed, incredible is correct. It is one which cannot be seen, that is invisible. The thing which cannot be seen is called invisible. Person who speak many languages. A person who speak many languages, B is correct. 10th, a person who sacrifices his life for the cause, that is C is correct. A geometrical figure with 8 sides, that is octagon, option D is correct. An instrument to measure temperature, that is thermometer is correct, option A is correct. Something easily broken, that is C, fragile. 14, a person for a place for clothes, that is B, wardrobe. Life history of a person written by that person, option C is correct, autobiography. 16, fear of confined places, that is option A is correct. A nursery where children are cared for while their parents are at work, that is option B is correct. A person employed to drive a private or hired car, option C is correct. A book that contains information on various subjects, option D is correct, encyclopedia. A place where dead bodies are kept for identification, that is option B is correct. A woman whose spouse is dead, that is C. C option is correct. A person who does not eat meat. Option B is correct, vegetarian. The act of initially killing oneself, that is suicide. Option D is correct. 24. A person who travels on foot. Option C is correct, pedestrian. Sat in wrong time or period. Option B is correct. An event causing sudden damage or suffering. That is option C is correct. Intimidation by threat. Option A is correct. The act of writing or solving codes. Option D is correct. A place where one lives permanently. Option B is correct. A disease which attack many people in a particular time in one time. That is option C is correct. Epidemic. Things which are of the same kind and of the same dimensions. Option D is correct. Homogeneous. 33. A speech delivered without any previous preparation. That is extempore. Option B is correct. A great lovers or book. Option C is correct. One who journeys to a holy place. Option A is correct. Pilgrim. A building where animals are killed for meat. Option D is correct. A government run by a dictator. That is option B is correct. That which cannot be seen through. That is option C is correct. Opaque. A large group of insects moving in a mass. Option D is correct. Study of evolution of mankind. That is option B is correct. Anthropology. Option B is correct. Custodian of a museum. That is option C is correct. Sleeping rooms with several beds, especially in a college or institution. So option A is correct. A person skilled in foreign languages. That is option D is correct. One who collects stamp. That is option B is correct. One who does not take any alcohol drink. That is C is correct. Something that cannot be carried easily. That is D is correct. Something that can be carried easily. That is option D is correct. Portable. 47. An instrument to measure temperature. That is option A is correct. Thermometer. Life history of a person written by that person is called autobiography. Fear of confined places. That is option A is correct. So these are the 50 most important one word substitution. Please revise it. These are very important. So thank you and like our video.